Today, we'll guide you through the detailed process of recovering your Binance account. Let's dive in. To begin, open the Binance app on your mobile device or visit Binance.com through any browser. Look for and tap on the login option located at the top right corner of the page. On the new login page, input the valid email address associated with your Binance account. Once entered, proceed by tapping on the next button. On the subsequent password page, click on the Forgot Password option. This action will trigger the initiation of the account recovery process. Within a short time, you will receive a notification regarding the password reset. Take the next step by clicking on Continue to progress further in the recovery process. Now, navigate to your Gmail account and search for the email containing the verification or security code. Once found, copy the code. Return to the Binance account recovery page and paste the verification code into the designated field. This step is crucial for confirming your identity and enabling you to proceed. With the verification completed successfully, you can now proceed to create a new, secure password for your Binance account. Ensure it is strong and not easily guessable. And there you have it. Your Binance account recovery is now complete. If you found this detailed tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides, and hit the notification bell to stay informed. Thank you for watching How to Mastery. Stay secure and keep watching for more informative content.